Hi, I'm Dr. Jha from Renew Clinic in Leamington Spa. Today we are meeting this young fellow who came from the other side of Birmingham, and he suffers from a condition called venous lake, which is a blemish on the that he has a lower lip blemish, and he has it for a number of years. And this venous lake is a vascular defect or vascular anomaly, which occurs for unknown reasons, but there are a few things which has been blamed actually to cause this, such as trauma. And he does say that he had trauma when he was 19-year-old playing sports, etc. And this persisted for a number of years. He's been to his GP fair few times. He was sent to the specialist, and then he was diagnosed to have venous lake on the lower lip, isn't it?
Yes.
Nisha will focus on your lip to show what it is. So it is a quite harmless condition, but it does affect the confidence of the person who has the venous lake. Cigarette smoking is also blamed to cause the venous lake. Once it develops, it can, with the time going by, it can increase in size. They are very soft, dusky blue appearance. They are very soft, and you can easily compress them, and within few seconds it fills up with the blood, and that's what is venous lake. We treat it with a laser. Generally, most of the people would require just single visit to the clinic. Whoever is doing it, either our clinic or any other clinics in the country who specialize treating these conditions. So I consulted this young man a couple of months ago, wasn't it?
Yes,
Maybe
yeah.
3 months now, Ian. So we went through the consultation process, and we explained everything, and today he returned to have his treatment. So let me ask him a few questions. So Ian, how long have you had this venous lake?
About 8 years now.
8 years.
Yeah, about 8 years.
Does this affect your confidence?
Yeah, massively.
Massively.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that the reason why you're having this treatment?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. So we're going to go to the laser room. We have switched the laser on. It takes a little bit time to warm up, and then we will do the treatment. And we'll also record the video. I must say, we have taken permission from you to be on a video, and let's do the treatment. Thank you. Did you feel that? How much pain are you having, if I may ask? In a scale of 10?
About a 3.
3. So it's not too bad.
No.
So it's quite a large lesion that you are dealing with it. Okay, that's fine. One more in the middle. Good. Hi, I'm back again. This gentleman Ian, now he had the venous lake treatment with the laser just a few minutes ago. So let me ask his overall experience in terms of pain, discomfort that he had. Now, Ian, tell me, or tell the viewers, how was your experience in relation to pain, etc.?
It was quick to start with, very quick. I'd say out of 10, pain level was about 2 to a 3, it's very minimal. Almost like you were just a little pinch on your lip. Yeah, it was just, wasn't that long, like I say, probably like a minute, if that. So yeah, it's just a small sharp prick. It feels like every time the laser hits, and that's it. There's no discomfort, there's no real pain. Just yeah, it's quite good.
So immediate after effect of the after the laser treatment, now it looks a little bit different than what it looked. It looks a little bit whitish in color. The possibility is that this skin of the lip may break down when we are treated, and for a tiny bit of ulcer, you got antibiotic ointment to regularly apply 2 to 3 times a day, and regularly be in touch on WhatsApp and update me how things are going. Ian had the venous leg treatment, and let me ask him questions about how was our customer services, how was the receptionist and the other staffs, how you find them?
First of all, everybody's been very welcoming, very kind, understanding, no judgmental feelings of, well, I haven't felt like I've been judged at all within obviously the appearance and everything, which has been very, very good and reassuring, and all the staff here are very helpful and most of all efficient, very, very efficient. It's not, you don't have to wait too long to get into your appointments. They're very reasonably priced compared to a lot of competitors out there, and it's easy to find, parking outside. It's just a great overall experience, so I definitely recommend.
Thank you, thank you. Hi, I'm back again. We are meeting Ian, who had a venous leg lip treatment 3 weeks ago, and we have been following up Ian on WhatsApp almost every evening, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And it was quite lumpy, quite bulky, quite raised, and it was seriously affecting his confidence and that sort of thing. So he's made some search on the Google, he found our clinic, and then he waited for a couple of months, maybe 3, and then he came to have the treatment. The treatment was in almost 3 weeks now. It's completely healed, and Nisha is going to focus on the lip of Ian to show the viewers how they look now. Thank you, Nisha. Now let me ask Ian about your overall journey through this entire process. What would you like to tell the viewers who are watching you, who has a venous leg? What would your message to them?
Definitely get it done. If it's affecting you even the slightest, even while the treatment was going on and the healing process, once the initial scab falls off, it's such a difference straight away. So yeah, even within the healing process, you feel better, and you're not as conscious of it when people are talking to you and meet new people. Overall experience here at Renew was fantastic. As soon as you walk in the door, everybody's really helpful, kind, understanding. You don't feel as if anybody's really looking at it too much or taking notice of it. And then right through to the treatment, it was fantastic, painless. Well, probably out of 10, I'd give it 2 to 3. When the treatment was actually happening through the laser, it's 5 minutes, if that, the whole process. Being prepared, doing it, and out of the room. So yeah, I definitely recommend Renew if you've got a venous leg, and if you're conscious about it, get it done.
Thank you, Ian. Thank you.